Hello. So, this is kind of funny. I sold, or maybe I sold my demo piece planer thingies, and I'm on a do-it-yourself audio forum, Dutch one, Self by Audio, and there is a gathering once more this Saturday, and I thought, well, I cannot go because I cannot make something new before that, and I also have a birthday the next day, but that, I could still go to that birthday the next day, but I also don't have anything. So I grabbed my old speakers real quick. Just, you know the drill. After a year or something, sometimes I just want to listen to it once more and see what it does. And yes, I told everyone about the older loudspeakers that they actually should be bigger. So I thought, let's get the bigger ones out and see how they perform. I used far less notches and EQ to get it straight. Ribbon is crossed at 525, but I think it can reach. Oh, there's something here. A little bit lower. There's one thing, there's no DC cap on the ribbon, so I can see that this ribbon is moving towards me. This one as well. So, yeah, I might have to adjust the tension or do this deliberately, which is not a good idea. So they bend they bend outwards a bit because the DC offset of the amplifier makes it move a certain amount. It could be beneficial, I don't know, but since if you use a different amplifier, the DC offset might be completely different. So I actually should add a huge cap to have the ribbon sit in the strongest field possible. Right now it is not. It's moving towards us, which does make the slot loading less. So that's good, but not ideal. But maybe if I can make this in some sort of piece that I can take with me, I still have something to show for it. I mean, let it be a very much a prototype what can be done, because this is higher than the other panel, which helps, and just the size and width ratio is different from this panel to compared to the other one. I like this one myself better. Also, the ribbon is much longer, which I of course definitely like, but it's not needed to have such a wide, big, fat ass ribbon. I mean, it's crossed at 525 right now, 24 dB per octave, which is first of all, it's an annoying filter. It's expensive to make passive, and I'm not sure if it's really needed to be that low. In some way it has to be, because there is a barrier here of wood before the mid-range bass panel plays, so they're pretty far apart, which is quite annoying. But for an active system, that's no biggie at all, of course. So if you got DSP, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't cost you anything more than the DSP you use. In this case it's a two-way, so it could be a mini DSP that's only 100 euros. I cannot build the filter components or the passive version for 100 euros. Probably is like twice as much. Wow, maybe a little bit less, but this ribbon was made out of all separate pieces, so there's these puzzle pieces again. This one looks okay except for the glue here. That one fell over once. It squished the ribbon as well, and also it had some dents and shit. So it's kind of fucked up, but if I can take them with me, if I'll go, I'm not sure yet. It could be fun, but they look like shit. But I'm pretty sure people can see through that. Especially there. Then, of course, it's nice if it looks nice, but I have a feeling they can appreciate a prototype crappy version as well. Hello?
Really, so up from Baton Rouge. Really, so up from Baton Rouge. Boy, there just ain't no telling, even that child might do. She make love like a woman, but just 19 years old. She make love like a woman, but just 19 years old. If she lay with the devil, you believe she take it so. She put a scar on my body, scar on my brain, like buzzing on the day that woman no shame really. You know she come from Baton Rouge. You know there just ain't no telling, even that child might do. Really now. Really, now she born on a Creole spell. Really, little girl got a Creole spell. You see, she love me, she cut me. Let me do that from here. She put a scar on my body, scar on my brain, like buzzing on the dead, that woman no shame. Now she's the meanest southern woman, the meanest southern woman I've seen. Woo, I'm gonna talk about me really, really, oh, really, really. Well, she's the meanest southern woman, the meanest southern woman I've seen.
You know, it's fun. I slapped together this this crossover in like a few minutes, so it's definitely not perfect. What I think is could be a little bit less top end, and maybe as well there is I believe it's 7 or 8K. There's like an S that is a little bit too much in my opinion. I don't see it in my measurements somehow, but I do have the feeling there is a bit too much S. But anyhow, yeah, I'm not sure if I go, and if I go, I need to find someone that has a car that can fit these, and they are 150 long, which is not insane. But it's a bit cobbled together, which is not easy to transport. I mean, especially these ribbons, if they like slam together, they're fucked. So, well, they're not in a very good, well, they're not really nice to begin with right now. Do I see? No, I thought I saw something rubbing the ribbon, but it's not. Anyhow, yeah. Could be really fun to take with me. I would like to have it in one package, but I'm not sure if I'm able to make that. Well, especially, yeah, I don't know if I can make that. But it is much faster than making something completely new, and it's standing here like for a gazillion years already, so might as well use it. And to my surprise, it doesn't sound bad. It actually sounds quite nice. See you next time. Bye bye.